Welcome, little learners. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Today we are going to revise the sound we learnt in our previous lesson and get to know some words which have that sound in them. Okay, what sound is this? S. That's right. Say that once again. S. Yes, we learned this sound in our previous lesson. Let us now recall how to write it. Do you remember the verbal clue? Repeat with me. Go round, curl back. One more time. Go round, curl back. Well done. We will now look at some words which have the s sound in them. Who is this? Snake. Spotty the snake. Now, where can you hear the s sound in the word snake? In the beginning. Snake. Let's look at some more words now. Spider. Spider. Snail. Snail. Sun. Sun. Slide. Slide. Swing. Swing. See-saw. See-saw. Sit. Sit. Stand. Stand. Sleep. Sleep. Smile. Smile. Sad. Sad. Swim. Swim. See. See. Sing. Sing. Song. Song. Spoon. Spoon. Good job, children. Now tell me, what is this? A bus. Bus. Where's the sound in the word bus? At the end. Now let's look at some words with sound in the end. Chess. Chess. Glass. Glass. Dress. Dress. Yes. Yes. Mouse. Mouse. Socks. Socks. Now socks has sound in the beginning and end both. Listen once again. Socks. Meet Casper. What is he wearing? A mask. Where's the sound in the word mask? It's in the middle of the word. Let's look at some more words with sound in the middle. Nest. Nest. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Whistle. Whistle. Muscle. Muscle. Superb, children! You all are so smart and you deserve lots of stars. Now that you know the sound so well, you can play I Spy with your friends. And I'm sure you'll enjoy finding things around you that have the sound in them. And remember, it can be anywhere in the world. So have fun and wait until we meet in our next video. And do remember to like, subscribe, and share my channel with your friends. Bye bye. Have a great day.